So you're looking for business ideas, but you don't want to invest any money. No problem. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 business ideas that require no money upfront and can be started with very little effort. Hi, welcome to Money Invest. In this video, I'm going to share with you some business ideas that don't require any investment on your part. That's right, all of these businesses can be started without spending a dime. You'll be able to get started today with very little effort. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Also, let us know your questions and thoughts below or video topics you want us to cover, as we always take your comments into consideration and love hearing from you all. If you're like millions of Americans, you want to start your own company. Of course, there are several barriers that could prevent you from following through. Then there's the issue of motivation. You might not have enough energy or time to see your project through, or you might not even have a clear goal to begin with. The biggest barrier to entrepreneurship is typically a lack of funding. It's tough to get a business off the ground when you don't have any money to invest. But what if we told you that there are plenty of businesses you can start with no money upfront? That's right, there are plenty of business ideas that require little to no investment. You can get started today with very little effort. And in this video, we're going to share with you 10 businesses that fit this description. 1. Freelance writing. In today's economy, more and more people are turning to freelancing as a way to make ends meet. And why not? Freelancing offers the flexibility to work from home, set your own hours, and accept or decline assignments as you see fit. Plus, there's no need to invest any money in startup costs. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So if you're thinking about starting a freelance writing business, here's how to get started. First, it's important to identify your niche. What kind of writing do you enjoy doing? What topics do you feel most knowledgeable about? Once you have a good sense of your strengths and interests, you can start pitching clients in that area. Next, build up a strong online presence. To build up your portfolio and client base, you may want to start with a site like Upwork. Also, create a website or blog where you can showcase your writing samples and connect with potential clients. Make sure to stay active on social media and consider joining relevant online communities where freelancers network and collaborate. Finally, stay organized and manage your time well. Deadlines can be tight in the freelance world, so it's important to be able to juggle multiple projects at once and meet all of your deadlines. Investing in a good project management tool can help you stay on top of things and deliver quality work to your clients. 2. Social media consultant. These days, it seems like everyone is on social media. From stay-at-home moms to big businesses, it's become a necessary tool for marketing and communication. As of October 2021, there are over 4.2 billion active users around the world. That's 53.6% of the population. As a result, there's a growing demand for social media consultants, people who can help others navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media. And the best thing about starting this type of business is that it requires very little investment. If you already have a computer and an internet connection, you're most of the way there. Just create a website and some marketing materials, and you'll be in business. So if you're enjoying the video and found it helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment, as this goes a long way and helps support our channel. We'd appreciate it. So let's get back to it. 3. Design and sell print-on-demand t-shirts. Designing and selling print-on-demand t-shirts is a great business to get into if you're looking to be your own boss with little to no startup costs. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some creative designs. Once you've created your designs, simply upload them to the platform of your choice and set your prices. Even if you aren't a designer, there are plenty of freelancers on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Dribbble, and 99 Designs who can help. When someone buys one of your shirts, the platform will handle the printing and shipping for you. You'll then receive a commission on the sale. With print-on-demand T-shirts, there's no need to buy inventory or invest in costly printing equipment. Another advantage is that if a certain T-shirt design doesn't sell, you haven't actually paid for the item yet, only the design, if you outsourced it. You may even save money by using T-shirt mockup templates, since you won't need to do a complete photo shoot for each new design. There are several print-on-demand services that may be linked to your Shopify store for seamless order fulfillment. However, to ensure that your personalized items appear decent, always get a sample of your product, sometimes at a discount. 4. Online Tutor. If you're good at a particular subject, you can start your own online tutoring business. Starting an online tutor business is a great way to become your own boss and make some extra money. And the best part is that you don't have to invest any money to get started. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to help people learn. There are a number of ways to get started as an online tutor. You can start by offering your services on tutor websites or forums. You can also create your own website or blog and offer tutoring services there. And there are even companies that will pay you to provide tutoring services through their platforms. The key to success as an online tutor is finding students who are willing to pay for your services. Once you have a few students, you can start charging for your time. And as your business grows, you can start raising your rates and expanding your services. With a little effort, you can build a successful online tutor business that provides you with a steady income stream. 5. Launch your own book. It's no secret that the publishing industry is undergoing a major transformation. With the rise of digital readers and self-publishing, it's easier than ever for authors to bypass traditional publishing houses and reach readers directly. But what if you could launch your own book as a business without any upfront investment? It might sound too good to be true, but with a little creativity and dedication, it's possible to turn your writing passion into a profitable enterprise. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Establish yourself as an expert in your field by writing articles, blog posts, or even books on your chosen topic. This will help you build an audience and create interest in your work. Use social media to connect with potential readers and promote your work. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are great ways to reach new people and generate interest in your book. Create a website or blog to showcase your work and offer previews or excerpts from your book. This is a great way to give potential customers a taste of what you have to offer before they commit to buying your book. Offer discounts or special deals on bulk purchases of your book. This can be a great way to attract businesses or other organizations who may be interested in purchasing large quantities of your book. Sell your book directly to customers through online retailers like Amazon or Barnes & Noble. This can be a great way to reach a wide audience and generate sales. Participate in online and offline book fairs and conferences. This is an excellent way to network with other authors and publishers, as well as sell your book to a larger audience. 6. Errands and odd jobs. There are plenty of opportunities to get paid for errands and odd jobs if you're entrepreneurial and don't mind getting your hands dirty. Errands like grocery shopping, dog walking, and basic home repairs are always in demand, and there's always someone willing to pay for the convenience of not having to do them themselves. If you're creative and have a knack for organization, you can even turn errands into a profitable business. For example, you could start a grocery delivery service or a pet sitting business. There's no need to invest any money to get started, so why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much money you can make. 7. Video editor. Did you know that after Google, YouTube is the second most popular search engine? This is obvious evidence that video consumption is on the rise, and with the rise in video popularity, it is recommended that you create videos to reach your target audience. And as a result, demand for video editors is higher than ever. However, starting a video editing business can be a daunting prospect, especially if you don't have any capital to invest. The good news is that it is possible to start a video editor business without any money. There are a number of ways to do this, such as working as a freelancer or partnering with another business. In addition, there are various free resources and tools available that can help you get started. With some creativity and perseverance, it is possible to start a successful video editor business without any upfront investment. 8. Virtual assistant service. If you're looking for a business that you can start with little to no investment, a virtual assistant service is a great option. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a variety of services to businesses and individuals, all from the comfort of your own home. You'll need to be well organized and have strong communication skills, but with the right mindset, you can build a successful virtual assistant business. One of the great things about starting a virtual assistant business is that there are very few startup costs. In fact, all you really need is a computer and an internet connection. If you have some basic office supplies, such as printer paper and pens, that's even better. Of course, you'll also need to create a website and market your services, but these are all relatively low-cost items. Perhaps the biggest challenge you'll face as a virtual assistant is building up your client base, but with a little perseverance and some creative marketing, you can soon start to attract clients who need your services. Once you've established yourself as a reliable and trustworthy virtual assistant, you'll be on your way to success. 9. Web design agency. To develop a website in the early days of the internet, you needed to know how to write long, complicated scripts. But thanks to no-code alternatives like WordPress and Wix, that has all changed. Consider beginning a web design business if you enjoy designing things and don't mind dedicating time to learning how to utilize WordPress. The website development lifecycle includes automation web testing. You may also provide services such as web design and automated testing. Also, you can operate as an automation testing firm. Start by informing your friends and relatives about your business to gain customers. You'd be surprised at how much business this basic networking tactic may bring you. 10. Resume building. Perhaps you've spent years as a recruiting manager and know exactly what companies are looking for. Perhaps you're a graphic designer who enjoys putting up a clean, professional-looking resume. Perhaps you have a keen eye for detail, and I mean keen. No mistakes permitted here. If that's the case, try beginning a resume writing business. There are several approaches to this. Some firms specialize in altering existing papers, while others will create a full resume graphics, text, and all for a much higher charge and time commitment. Which choice you select will be determined by your skill set, but both are valid possibilities for starting a free business. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips were helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And as always, feel free to comment below with your thoughts and opinions.